So here in this video, we are going to check out this amazing live polling application wherein we have used WebSockets in the backend, right? And there is Redis also in place. Okay, how all this have been configured and how we get real-time data right on this application, that is what I'm going to show you in this particular video, and also how WebSockets can be used effectively, right? How can we use them for getting real-time data, and how can we use it with Redis for pulling real-time data from the database and showing it to the users of the application. All that will be covered in this video, so stay tuned with me. Let's dive into the tutorial and check out this amazing application. So this is the home page of the application, right? I have already logged out. I was using it earlier, but now I'm not in the application. Let me just log in and show you the landing page. Sorry, the home page, and that's how the home page looks like, right? So once the user signs into the application, he gets to see these four options, okay, and he can simply use this one for creating a poll. So I'm going to quickly create a poll for you guys. And which party, which country do you like most? Okay, so I'm going to put India, America, right? If you want to increase the options, you can do it like this. So India, America, Canada, then let's go with Australia. Okay, so out of these four countries, I would like the participants to select the choice, and then let's click on submit. So this has created a poll for the creator, okay, and the creator will have to first vote for this particular poll. So let's go with India. Okay, so India has now one vote in its pocket. Now, how the creator will ask the other users to share their opinion for this particular question. So that is what I would like to show you now. So there is this link, which gets generated automatically, which contains the ID of the poll, right? So the creator can simply copy the link and share it in his WhatsApp group. And the moment users will try to access it, okay, they will be redirected to this screen. Sorry, they'll have to first log in into the users will have to first log in into the system. So if suppose they are not the super users for this application, how they can log in? So there is no sign up option as of now, but yes, if they have the Gmail account in place, they can simply use it for logging into the system, right? Let me just show it to you first, and after that I'm going to show you the code that I've used for creating this particular social media login thing. So let's go with continue. So as you can see, I've successfully logged in as Django 126, which is with this username on internet. Okay, and now I'm going to just show you the code behind it. So there is this settings.py file, as you guys know, which has the entire Django configuration stored in it. So here I have the site ID as to social account login on set. So this is a variable that you have to set as true in the settings.py file. Then you need to use this all auth, right? All auth social account, all auth account, and this all these applications. So these are default applications which comes along with Django. So you can simply put them over here, just write the names, and then you have to configure the social account providers variable. Okay, once you are through with it, you will see, the login activity can be performed using Gmail account or any account you have on social media, right? So that's how it can be configured. Now I would like to come on the poll. So what the user can do, he can simply paste this link in the browser and he will get redirected to this particular page. Now here if you see the vote which the creator gave for this question, initially the user who is going to vote for the poll, he won't be able to see the results, right? So once he gives his vote, he'll be able to see the real time results. Okay, now what about the creators? So once any of the users, they give their vote for this poll, so the user, the creator gets to see it in real time. So if you remember, I voted for India, right? And from the account where I logged in as Django 126, I voted for Canada, and I can see it live in front of me. So this is something which is happening because of this WebSocket. Let me just show it to you once. Right, that's where the WebSocket thing, we can see the results over here, right? So this ID has been called and we connected to WebSocket, and finally we got the result. Now how WebSockets concept can be implemented, that's what I'm going to show you in this application. So what you have to do basically is you have to create a wsgi.py file. Okay, this is ws here stands for WebSocket. Okay, and here you have to simply put these lines of code. So there is this get wsgi application thing which you have to import from django.code.wsgi, and then using this you can create a routing mechanism. So here if you see, we have created a routing.py file which is going to hit poll consumer, which is present in consumers file. So where is this? This is where the consumer file is present, and that's where we've stored the concept of real-time data pulling through WebSockets. Okay, so the WebSocket will accept the request, it will use the channel layers, and it will dump the data, on the front end. Okay, it will bring the data on the front end, and finally we'll be able to see everything in real time. So that's the basic concept of using WebSockets. Okay, let me come on this and let's log out from the application, and I'm going to now log in as another user. Okay, so this time I'm going to use the second email ID which my browser is showing me, and here I go. So I'm able to log in successfully, as you can see, and this time my username is Gaurav_Kumar. Now I can pull the poll like this. So WebSockets is again coming in action. Let me show it to you in the terminal first. So if you see, the WebSocket is connected, and now I would like to vote for India. Okay, so India has two votes. How the creator will come to know about it? So in real time, he'll see the data like this. Okay, so that's the basic concept of WebSocket, and it's a very basic application that has been built on WebSockets in Redis. If you also want to develop applications like this, you want to understand the concept behind real-time data pulling or real-time applications, you can let me know on the number which is getting reflected on your screen. Learn from me, I would suggest you, right? And then go ahead and create these kind of applications in real world. Thank you very much, guys, for checking out this video. Don't forget to like, share, and follow my channel. Bye bye, take care, and have a great day, guys.